Gala price update, and the current price is for Gala is at the $0.2628 mark, and at the moment we are trading below the $0.3 mark. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart for Gala, and from the all-time high that we made on the $0.84 mark, we have continued seeing lower prices in this ABC correction, and the wave C took us to around the $0.14 mark, and from there we had a bounce to the upper side to about the $0.39 mark, and then from there we started seeing lower prices to the current price that we have. For me, I expected Gala to continue giving us higher prices because I thought the ABC correction had done whatever it needed to do. So whatever should have followed on this other side is a wave that could have taken us to an all-time high, but it seems like that has not happened, and it's not likely to happen, basing on the fact that Bitcoin is also giving us more sell-offs and is affecting this whole market. So one of the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart is that we can continue seeing lower prices for Gala and maybe touch the $0.14 mark, where we have our key support, and then from there we can then have a bounce back to the upper side, and that move maybe it might take us to an all-time high. And if this support does not hold, because it's not a must that it holds, we can break below it, and that will be a continuation of this massive ABC correction. And I think if we go back to this target zone once more or break below it, I think Gala will have done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, and I think the low will have kicked in, and then so whatever should follow on this other side is the wave that should take us to an all-time high. Also, I have this triangle that I have over here, which is a descending triangle. There's this triangle that is over here. You can see we are continuing to push the prices to the apex of this triangle that we have over here, and soon we might see a breakout out of that channel, out of that triangle, and the breakout might, let's say it might be the size of this, the height of this triangle that we have over here. So if we break at around this point, that move might take us to around the $0.14 mark. So whatever I've said I can support that using this descending triangle that I have over here. So we might continue seeing lower prices and touch the $0.14 mark. Also, looking on the indicators, you can see on the RSI we are at around the $60 mark. We are not yet in the overbought region. And also, having a look on the daily MACD, it seems like we are just about to have a bearish cross, and if that move plays out, we have a bearish cross over here, to be an indication that we might continue seeing lower prices and maybe touch the $0.14 mark. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.